Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to export a complete OneNote notebook into a PDF file, including all chapters and sections. Let's get started. First open the OneNote Desktop App on your computer. Make sure you are not using OneNote Online. To open your notebook, click on File, then click on Open, and open the notebook you want to export to PDF. Again click on File. From the left menu, select Export. Under Export Current, choose Notebook. This option will export all chapters and sections together. On the right side, select PDF as the file format. Then click on Export. Now choose the folder or location where you want to save the PDF. And click Save. Please wait. Exporting may take some time depending on the size of your notebook. Don't close OneNote during this process. And that's it. Your OneNote notebook is now exported as a PDF and ready to open, share, or print. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.